Dark underarms can be caused by a number of factors, including dead skin cells, shaving, excessive sweating, and the use of antiperspirants and deodorants. Before using baking soda, it's important to determine the underlying cause of the discoloration and address it as needed. For example, using an exfoliating scrub or switching to a gentler antiperspirant may also help improve the appearance of your underarms. Baking soda is often used as a natural alternative for personal hygiene and skin care. One of the ways it's used is for underarm whitening. Baking soda can be used to lighten dark underarms due to its mild abrasive and exfoliating properties. Here's how to use baking soda for underarm whitening. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply the paste to your underarms and massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry your underarms. Repeat the process 1 to 2 times a week. However, it should be used with caution and diluted before use to avoid skin irritation. Additionally, it's important to determine the underlying cause of dark underarms and address it as needed. Even though baking soda is considered safe for topical use, it can be harsh and cause skin irritation if used too frequently or in high concentrations. It's also important to test a small area of skin first to check for any adverse reactions before using it on larger areas of skin. Before using baking soda or any other personal care product, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual needs.